Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Subscribe and we'll start your daily yoga practice today. This is a short flow to get you moving, re-energize. All levels are welcome. Perfect for a long day reset on a day that might not be over yet. Let's begin standing at the top of your mat. No props are needed. Bring your palms to touch and take a moment to bring yourself to the present moment. Shift your focus to the breath and arrive. Inhale, reach the arms wide and overhead. Look up, reach up. Exhale, soften the knees and forward fold. Hands on the mat, step the right foot back to a lunge. Tall on the toes of the back foot, a gentle step into the left so that the knee stays over the ankle. Breathe. Left foot back to a plank. A little bit of strength, a little bit at a time. It all adds up. Press the mat away, pull in the core, engage the legs. Optional, lower your knees to the mat for one chaturanga push-up. Keep the elbows in close, lower down halfway, and press up. Lower down halfway, and press into upward facing dog. Let's linger here for a moment. Okay, plane. Press the mat away, tops of the feet down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Feet hip width, hands shoulder width. Step the right foot between your hands. Lunge. Set this up every time. Strong back leg. Front knee is over the ankle. Relax your expression, your breath. Forward fold at the top of your mat. Long exhale. Let the knees soften. Press through the heels, round up to standing. Inhale, arms overhead. Look up, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Long exhale. Hands to the mat. Step your left foot back to a lunge. Inhale, lower the left knee. Shoulders draw back. Exhale, try to press both legs straight. Might not happen right away. Press through the back heel. Lunge. Lunge twist. Left hand down. Right arm opens. Keep the entire arm in view. Fingers spread wide. Right hand down. Step back up to the top of your mat. Long exhale here. Soften the knees and round up to stand. Inhale, arms overhead. 3 breaths with your arms up. Interlace the fingers. Press a button on the ceiling. Option to back bend. Reach up more than back. Lift out, forward fold. Gotta love mosquitoes. Step the right foot back to a lunge. Inhale, lower the right knee, shoulders back. Long exhale, pyramid pose. Press through the back heel. Lunge. Lunge twist. Right hand down, left arm opens. Left hand down. Top of the mat, long exhale. Forward fold. Press to stand. Palms touch. Turn to face the long edge of your mat. Separate your feet, hands to hips, and forward fold. Shift the weight to the front part of your feet. Lengthen the back almost like a halfway lift. And we're going to bend into the left knee, stretching the right inner thigh. The outside edges of the feet are parallel with the short edges of the mat. Switch. Walk your hands through center and bend into the right knee, keeping both feet flat. Stretching the inner thighs and the outside of the left foot and ankle. Come back to center. Hands to hips for balance. Lift up. Interlace your hands behind the back. Roll the shoulder blades together. Inhale, look up. Exhale, fold forward and let your hands float over the body away from you. Try not to muscle anything. If this is too much on the hamstrings, you can soften the knees. Release your hands to the mat. This time, halfway lift. Keep the right hand down. The left arm is going to twist open. Press through the outsides of the feet as you feel the thighs engage on the inside. And switch. Left hand down. Right arm opens. Right hand down. Hands to hips. Stand up. Heels in, toes out. One hand on top of each leg as you bend the knees and help assist the hips opening. Dip the right shoulder forward as you press the right knee away. Pull the left shoulder blade back. And switch. Come back to center. Bring your palms to touch for a moment. And then straighten both legs. Step to the top of your mat. Feet are together. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Pull in the core. 3 breaths with your arms overhead. Lift out, forward fold. Soften the knees and round up to standing. One Utkatasana. Bend the knees, sit back. Feet are together. Lengthen the tailbone away from the fingertips. Check to make sure you can see your toes. The gaze is somewhere between the hands. It can be a little bit lower. If that stresses out the neck, sit lower, pull in the core, and feel length happening in the torso. Stand up. Leave your arms overhead. Recreate that good posture with the body. So lengthen the tailbone down, draw the core in, bring the biceps by the ears, stand evenly between both feet. On an exhale, bring the palms to touch and lower your hands down to heart center. Reconnect to the present moment. Thank you. Thank you for joining me. Thank yourself for your practice. Let's close with a breath. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. Exhale, lower your hands down. Until next time, Namaste.